According to the Pew Research Center, 1 in 6 Americans have now made money online in some way. 6% of Americans are making all or almost all of their money online. That's more than 4.7 million people. The worst part, almost all of them are overpaying on their tax bill to the IRS. Don't be one of those people. According to polling data, most online business owners have no tax strategy at all, meaning they're just winging it every year come tax season. Really, don't be one of these people either. Now, to save you from that, here are 5 strategies to implement before the year ends to save you big money from the tax man. Number 1, the Augusta Rule. The Augusta Rule, known to the IRS as Section 280A, allows homeowners to rent out their home for up to 14 days per year without needing to report the rental income on their individual tax return. The Augusta Rule IRS exemption was lobbied for by residents of Augusta, Georgia in the 1970s. Each year, the Masters Golf Tournament is held at the Augusta National Golf Club, and the residents of the city wanted to rent their homes to attendees of the tournament without becoming a full-fledged rental business. Their efforts paid off, and Section 280A was added to the tax code. Fortunately, today, the IRS Augusta Rule extends to all homeowners in the U.S., not just those in Augusta, Georgia. You can use these 14 days of rental income for all sorts of fun things. One of the best is renting out your home to your business for those 14 days for, say, monthly board meetings. You can look up standard rates for meeting halls or hotel rooms or co-working spaces in your area and rent your home at that amount per day to your business. Now, what does this do? It reduces the net income of your business, which means less taxes. Now, your business structure, current tax situation, and more will all matter when filing any of these, so keep that in mind. This is not cookie cutter advice. Everyone's business and tax situation is going to be different. Number 2, hiring your kids and maybe even your pets. Most people aren't aware that hiring kids is a great way to shelter income from taxes. As a dad, I know that every extra cent I make is going to my daughter Sophia in some way, whether it's for clothes, a MacBook, a new musical instrument, or a new piece of equipment she wants for aerial silks, one of her favorite things to do. But what if I told you you could pay for all that stuff tax-free? Here's how it works. Your son or daughter is of legal working age for family members in your area. You hire them and pay them a reasonable wage to do some type of work in your business. For you online business owners out there with an online presence, social media, things like that, regular appearances in your videos and pictures on social media is a good way to show them as a marketing person working for your company. If they have specific skills they're cultivating, like graphic design or performance art or game programming or something like that, employ them in your business doing something like that. You can pay your child up to the standard deduction each year and not have any direct income tax consequences. I also said pets here. So just so you know, if you use your pets in marketing material on a regular basis, such as in videos or pictures on Instagram or things like that, you can write off a percentage of pet expenses as well. Pet lovers, let me hear you. Number 3, home office deduction. If you're working out of your home, you should be writing off your home office. The IRS has a simple home office worksheet where you take a percentage of the square footage of your home, and then you use that to calculate how much of your heat, gas, electric, mortgage, and other home expenses you can write off each year. Hint, you can do this even if you have an office outside of the home. Even if you're traveling most of the year, you can still write off a portion of this office, okay? Number 4, education expenses. As online educators, one of our favorite things to do is get educated ourselves. Fortunately for us, you can write off many education expenses in relation to your business. Most online courses, seminars, and even meetings with mentors can be written off from your business in some way. All you need to do is keep track of those receipts. Number 5, electric vehicles. Do you ever wonder how there are so many dang Teslas on the road at a price of 70 grand plus? Well, what if I told you the US government would foot the bill on the first year of the payments for you? Would that change your tune? Well, that's what the plug-in EV tax credit can do for you and your business. Any qualifying vehicle purchased receives up to a $7,500 tax credit. Now, if you're a real pro, you'll lease the vehicle through your business, giving you the tax credit, the lease expense, and the depreciation on the vehicle, the holy trifecta of tax efficiency. So those are 5 of my favorite tax strategies for online biz owners. But there are literally thousands more that you can implement into your business, and they will be specific to your needs and your current tax situation. If you want to learn more about how you can save thousands or even tens of thousands on taxes this year, just go ahead and click the link in the description and schedule a call.